Hi everyone! Thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Bear Mix Bujo over at Instagram. For today, I have a flip through of this completed folio. So this is the first folio that I ever put together. So I think I'm going to make this a chatty video. You can turn off, you can mute if you don't like to hear me chatter away, but I just wanted to explain all of the elements that I have in this folio. So this project is inspired, and I actually followed the tutorial by Yvonne Preston. I'll link the 4-part video that she put together in the description below. So please check that out if you want to follow along and learn how to put this together. So this is made entirely of digitals. The base is a folder, so I think I used about 2 long folders to make the base, and then I think I didn't follow the tutorial exactly as is, because if you know me, I'm not into measuring and all of those things, so I just eyeball everything. So I think it turned out okay for my first folio, that is, and I really like how it looked. So I tied it up with a string, jute string, and then it's attached to this eyelet here in the front pocket. So the front pocket, all of the digitals, by the way, that I used here are from Paper Daisy Journals, Kylie, hi Kylie, Artie Mays, and Tracy Fox. So those are the digitals that I used for this kit. I won't be able to tell you which is which came from what, but I'll try my best, and you're probably familiar with those digitals yourself, so you'll be able to tell. So this is the front, the first flippy flappy of the whole folio. So this is the front part. In here, I just have all of these things tucked inside. So all of them are digi, so you can use all of them to write in the back or attach them to your own journals. And this one is actually one of an ephemera like this, and then I just folded it over the page, and then I added this one and this one, and then I added stitches in some of the pages just to add some interest. So that's the first part. And then you open it up like this, and then the other part of this ephemera is over here. It wraps around, and then also has digis inside. So the digis that I chose are these antique looking, vintage looking digis. Not a lot of florals for this particular journal and folio, I mean, and I really like how it looks. I'm actually putting together a grungy journal, which is something out of my comfort zone. So I think this is a good practice for me to, you know, not make everything, not make anything floral for a while. So when you open it up, the first page, you have this. It's just a belly band, and then I have this background, and then tucked in the belly band are these ephemera. So I have a lot because this is a little bit loose, so I tried to stack them together. So that's the first flip flap, and then you open it up like this again. Then you have this spread. So this is a Tracy Fox tag. This one is a bit tight, so take care to put it, you know how it is when you're doing a video. Maybe it's good to remove this first. I think I have another digi here. So this is actually an envelope that I stuck inside. Just goes like that. So that's that. And then I added this stamp here because it's an envelope. And then this one I really like. This is a pocket, a slanted pocket. Then the front part I added this one, this ephemera, and then this number. I think this one is from Shabby Dabby Duda DigiKits. They have tickets in front. Then this one is really fun. It's the base is a tag from Tracy Fox, and then I just layered these two ephemera so that it becomes a tag tuck spot like that. It's a layered tuck spot, and of course you can also journal in the back. So that's the cover. And then when you open up the actual compartment, let's go through this part first. Again, it's a tuck spot. Have these ephemera tucked inside. I do have some floral elements in here, but not a lot. This one is a pocket. This is a bigger version of the other ephemera that I have in the other pocket. And then another of these slanted pockets, which I really like. So in here, it's just a tiny pocket. Then this is another one of those tag tuck spot. And then this is a kit from Kylie, and another floral one. I just couldn't help myself, but I think the colors coordinate with all of the antique and grungy bits here. I think this one is Artemis. And then when you open it, it looks like this. All right. So this one is really fun. Maybe I'll go through this bit first. So it just opens like this. And in here, there are tiny ephemera. It's really fun. The background here, the lacy background, is from Kylie. Then here, just a tiny writing space. Then this is another belly band. This background is from Kylie again. Okay. And then maybe let's go through the other side. The other side is pretty much the same. Open it up like that. So here you have tiny ephemera tucked inside. And then here is a don't know if I'm on frame. This is a journaling spot. You can write in there, or you can also, you know, make your own tuck or pocket in there. These are the ephemera for this part. Close that up. All right, so this one is a flip. You flip it up. I think I'll glue this down. You flip it up, but it's just a pocket with a huge giant tag. I just added this tab. Open it up. You can do anything here. You can write, or you can actually put something in there as well. And then this one is just a layered tag tuck spots. Have it in there. Just really like the look of, you know, lots of layers. There. So that's that bit. And then I kept the back very simple so that it can lie flat. This is a from Kylie, digital kit from Kylie again. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and I hope you also follow along the tutorial from Yvonne. I had a lot of fun putting this together, and I will definitely make another folio, but maybe a floral theme this time, or maybe another one of these in a different color. Thanks so much for watching.